Are you searching for best digital microscope? In this video, we've done the research for you, tested countless models, and compiled a carefully curated list of the best digital microscopes on the market. These budget-friendly options provide incredible value without compromising on quality. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best digital microscope in 2023. Number 1, Eakins Microscope Camera, brand name, Eakins, model number, 48MP 4K HDMI USB Microscope Camera, orders, 1000, reviews, 300, rating, 4.8, 48MP 4K 1080p HDMI USB Industrial Video Microscope Camera, 1x130x Zoom C-mount lens remote control for digital image acquisition. Gooseneck light feature, low power consumption, soft LED light, USB power supply, no battery required, flexible metal tube, easy to adjust to any direction, clip design, which can fix it on your screen or keyboard. Very good for using in dark without disturbing your roommates, idea for lighting the laptop or PC in the dark, with on OFF switch design, directly fix the light on your screen or keyboard, and then plug the USB light into USB port of your laptop or PC, no external power supply, just simply turn on your laptop or PC, turn on the switch, it works. Power-saving design of LED light up to 100,000 hours of usage. Number 2, HiCloud Industrial Digital Microscope Camera, brand name, HiCloud, model number, 4K HDMI Microscope Camera, orders, 800, reviews, 215, rating, 4.8, 48MP 4K 1080p HDMI USB Industrial Video Digital Microscope Camera, 130x Zoom C-mount lens cantilever stand for repair soldering, specification, model. Camera with HDMI USB 2.02 output, image sensor, 48 megapixel Panasonic sensor, frame rate, 1920 1080 60f/s at HDMI output, video save movie size, 4K, 25 frames per second, 2K, 30 frames per second, 1080p, 60 frames per second. 720p, 60 frames per second. Note, if you need to record 4K or 2K video, you need to use the SDHC Class 10 TF card. Housing, all metal, support a C-mount lens, digital magnification, 5x digital zoom, cross cursor, support multicolor, size adjustable, TF card interface, max 32G, HDMI interface, HDMI, USB output. Number 3, Eakins Digital Microscope Set, brand name, Eakins, model name, ICBG CPU chip watch Jewelry Lab Industrial Trinocular Microscope, orders, 495, reviews, 168, rating, 4.9, stereo microscopes are easy to operate and widely used, zoology, biology, botany, entomology, histology, mineralogy, archaeology, geology and dermatology. In the textile industry, it is used in the inspection of raw materials and cotton wool fabrics. In the electronics industry, it is used as operating tools, such as transistor soldering, mobile phone electronic maintenance, watch maintenance and inspection. In biological anatomy, applied to local anatomy. In the manufacture of precision parts, it is applied to the device of machine tools. The observation of the working process, the inspection and assembly of precision parts, surface quality of lenses, prisms or other transparent substances, and quality inspection of precision scales, cultural relics, books, coins, calligraphy and paintings. The inspection 8. Widely used in textile products, chemical chemistry, plastic products, electronic manufacturing, machinery manufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, food processing, printing industry, colleges and universities, archaeological research and many other fields. Number 4, ANDONSTAR AD208 Digital Microscope, brand name, ANDONSTAR, model number, AD208, orders, 458, reviews, 145, rating, 4.8, ANDONSTAR AD208 new 8.5-inch adjustable LCD display microscope for soldering digital microscope. Features, the product has an 8.5-inch LCD screen, which is larger and displays clearer. The angle of the microscope display can be adjusted to facilitate multi-angle observation. The metal bracket can be adjusted front and rear, which can bring 3D visual effects and larger operating space. The metal black baseplate, with a clip, can fix the observation item. 2 LED lights were added to the bracket base, with 8 LED lights built in, make the image sharper. Supports memory card recording and taking pictures, which is more convenient to use. Support 12 languages, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, English, Japanese, French, German, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, Thai, Vietnamese. Products are widely used. Repair of electronic products such as mobile phones and computers, anti-K identification, printed matter, textiles, jewelry, factory production lines, bid repairs, plant and insect observation, etc. Number 5. New kailiwei Digital Microscope, brand name, kailiwei, model number, 7050T lens, orders, 212, reviews, 72, rating, 4.9. The stereo microscope is easy to operate, it is widely used. Zoology, biology, botany, entomology, histology, mineralogy, archaeology, geology and dermatology. In the textile industry, it is used for the inspection of raw materials and cotton and wool fabrics. In the electronics industry, it is used as a triode welding, mobile phone electronic repair, watch repair and inspection and other operating tools. In biological anatomy, used in regional anatomy. In the manufacturing of precision parts, it is used for the observation of the working process of machine tools and equipment. Inspection and assembly of precision parts, surface quality of lenses, prisms or other transparent substances, quality inspection of precision ruler, cultural relics, books, coins, calligraphy and painting. Inspection are widely used in textile products, chemical industry, plastic products, electronic manufacturing, machinery manufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, food processing, printing industry, universities, archaeological research and many other fields. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.